Hello, this tutorial is about working with text in the CapCut program. You'll learn how to quickly change font, color, and style of text in your video. First, drag your video onto the editing timeline below. To do this, hold the left mouse button and drag. Here it is. Next, go to the Text tab, then select Default Text, click the plus button. The text appears at the bottom, and you can edit it. For example, I write my text. So I've just edited it now. It's already starting to appear, but it blends in a bit with the video itself. To fix this, we can change its color. This is the color tab. In the text tab, we change the color, but as you can see, the color changes, but still blends in with the video. For this, there's a tab called Preset Style. This is a more advanced text editing technique. Let's say we choose this particular option, for example. Now, it's much more clearly and distinctly visible and apparent to us. That's the text. Next, we can again change its color if we want. You can move this text around anywhere on your video. Next, since it's very large in my opinion, you can change its size. This is done in the font size tab. Right now it's set to 15 by default, which is very large. So we can easily adjust it down or up. You can also move it using this convenient kind of slider. Okay, so we've successfully changed the text, its font color and style. Now, let's see what we've got. Let's put it all on the big screen. Great. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe and give it a like.